Hello, little learners. Today, we're going to meet some very special friends, our shape friends. Are you ready? This is circle. Can you say circle? Circle? Circle is round, like a ball or the sun. Can you think of something that's a circle? Here comes square. Say, square. Square. Square has 4 equal sides. It's like a window or a slice of cheese. What else looks like a square? Look who's here, it's triangle. Can you say, triangle? Triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. It's like a pizza slice or a mountain. Can you show me a triangle with your hands? Now we have rectangle. Say, rectangle. Rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides, but 2 are long and 2 are short. Like a door or a book. Can you point to something that's a rectangle? Wow, it's our shining friend star. Say, star. Star. Star has 5 points. It's like the stars we see in the sky at night. Can you twinkle your fingers like a star? Great job! Now let's sing our shape song one more time.
Circle, square, triangle, 2, rectangle, star, just for you. Shapes are fun, and now we know. Look around, find shapes and show.
Amazing work, everyone! You're now shape experts. Give yourself a big clap. Goodbye!
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.